Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time here, I'm Danny for Cupcakes Gourmet. I hope you have fun and learn something cool. Today we're gonna make the LOL surprise body tutorial. But before you start the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button so you can get all the notifications. And today I'm gonna dedicate this video for Siobhan21. She left a message for me, so you always, when you leave a message, you can get a chance to have a video dedicated to you. So this one is for her. We're gonna start making her body. You just make a ball and make the face, the part that you squish on the table, you're gonna use for her face, because her face is a kind of square and flat. And then when you think, I'm using this tool, but if you don't have anything that has a little point, we're gonna mark her lips. Actually, just inside the, the mouth, the lips, we can even put it in another color, depends on which one it is, that she has a bunch of different ones. A little tiny ball for her nose, then I'm just gonna put it right there. And with a little bit of water, you can smooth the edges to make it look a little bit more seamless. If you haven't yet, here under you can see Cupcakes Gourmet is my Instagram, and then you can see what's coming, new things. You can tag me to see if you use any of my tutorials, so I can see what you guys are making too. So the ball tool, I'm just marking where the eyes are gonna be. And also, if you want to see where I got all those tools, I always look at Amazon to see if I can find some links for you guys, because I had those tools for a long time. And if you want something, you want to check it out, everything is in the box below. I made 2 little balls and set right where the line of the eyes are, and now I'm just gonna pinch a little hole in the middle to start marking her ears. Just like that. She's kind of simple. The details is kind of more like in the accessories, like bows, ribbons, ears, things like that, and the dresses. So I'm just showing the body, and then for now on, if you guys want to see one in specifically, because there's dozens and types, just let me know. Send me a comment below, tag a picture on my Instagram, say I really want to see this one, the really rare ones. Maybe your little girl can find it and you want to make one. It's very cool. I made a little row and I cut the excess to start making the neck and the body. I'm also using the light air dry clay. I will leave the link here below. You can definitely find it at Amazon. I buy there all the time. So if it falls on the floor, it's not going to break like cold porcelain, and it's not edible like fondant or gum paste. So they can play and do whatever, and it's not going to break. I'm just going to make a row, mark the middle, and we are starting her little footsies. I'm just flattening it out the edges and making a little mark in the middle to pretend or to give an impression. Then you can see the separation where her knees are. It's a little tiny thing, not a lot of details, but there's little things that you can do. Then you can make your topper decoration, toy, whatever you're making for, look even more cute, even more full of details, even cuter, So that's why we're gonna do that. As you can see, I just mark a little bit to see the knees, because once she's standing up, or if you're making a candle or whatever you're making, it gives the little, chin detail. Now we're gonna make 2 balls the same size, so we know that our arms are gonna be the same thickness, and we're gonna mark right there at the wrist and pinch down the rest to start making her hands. You can cut it like I did for the thumbs, but if you feel that you're starting, then it's kind of hard because it's small. You don't need to. It's so tiny, and she's probably gonna be holding something, so just relax and enjoy. But if you want it, you can cut just a little tiny bit. So now we have both of them, and she is done. If you want to see more things and how to make hair styles, dress, and any special edition LOL, give me a thumbs up, leave me a message below so I know what you want to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.